Hello and welcome back. Today in this video you will learn how to get Canva editable templates and how you can customize those templates according to your brand or according to your need. So if you need templates that you can customize for your social media like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, then this video is for you. You can also use these templates for your businesses like restaurant menus, business cards, certificates and so on. So if you follow the link in the description, you will be redirected to this website. Here as you can see, we have thousands of Canva templates that you can get and you can customize. 1000 plus Canva templates, 150 plus, 20 plus restaurant menu templates, and 750 plus Canva editable templates. So you can pick any of these and you can edit these templates and then you can use these. For example, I want to use this one for restaurant menus. I can click on it. I can see some description of it and I can see that I can use this in light colors, dark colors, burger shop menu, fast food menu, dessert menu, bakery menu and so on. So if you want to download one template at a time, you can just here or you can just add this to cart. And you can add multiple items to cart and then you can go to your cart page or you can go to checkout. And then here you can fill up these details and can check out. And after checkout you will get a file like this. So this is for the menu templates as you can see, and if you scroll down you will see a thank you message, and this template can easily be edited and updated with text, icons, images and videos using Canva, and after editing easily export it as images, PDF or video. So if you want to see the actual templates, the actual images, you can just click on edit now and this will take you to this page. And here you can see a number of templates as you can see that you can customize. Now if you don't have a Canva account, you can just sign up using your email or Gmail. This is free. Once you sign up, you will be redirected to this page where you can customize any of the template and you can make it your own. Let's scroll down, and at the last we have this menu. So I can zoom it and here I can change image, text, I can upload my logo, my phone number, my products and so on. So if you want to change the image, you can click on that specific image. You can go to elements and here you can search for an image, for example food, and now I can use any of these images, or I can also upload my own images and can put my image. Same goes for the text. If I click this, I can change this. I can also change this, like I can write my own name, and I can change my phone number, book now, and I can change the shape also. So you can search for shape and you will get a number of shapes that you can use here. And let's zoom this, and I can click on this, I can change this, I can change this text, I can change the price and so on. Just double click the text and write your own text like this. And same goes for these images. You can change these images, these shapes, and you can also change the background if you want, and you can customize any of these templates. And once you are done, then you can just go to share and you can go to download. And now here you can select a file type. So if you want to download this as an image, you can select JPG or PNG, and if you want to download this as PDF, you can select any of these. If you want to print this, you can select PDF print. Even you can choose SVG or MP4 video. So just select the size that you want. For example, I need this as PNG image. I can select this, I can change the size, and then I can select the page that I want to download. If you want to download all the pages, you can select all pages, or you can click here and you can choose a specific page. For example, I want to download only this page. Click done and then click download. And this will download this page. Here as you can see, we got an image. I can open this, and this is our menu. We can zoom it, and this is in high quality. So this was how you can get Canva editable templates and you can customize those according to your need. So this was it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.